that we really needed to rebuild our sales team. We had good people in place, but they had aspirations other places, and it was best for them to move in new directions and find new people on the team. So we really needed to do a whole sales force rebuild, which included 2 new sales reps as well as a lead generation person. And arguably the lead generation person is one of the toughest positions for Viewpoint to recruit for, regardless of the geography. And we've been very happy with the most recent addition of that lead development position, and that particular recruit has done a great job, and in his first 45 days is already finding leads that a very experienced person wasn't able to turn up over several years. There's a couple different reasons that we've chosen to work with the Harlow Group. First of all, with our most recent round of several hires, we actually surveyed the market. I was new to Australia. We'd had positive experiences with the Harlow Group in the past in recruiting a sales rep that has set the high bar for sales that hasn't been surpassed for several years actually. But with me joining the team here in Australia, I felt it was important for us to understand what our options were, and as we looked at our various options, we felt that the cultural fit was best between Viewpoint and the Harlow Group, as well as the interaction and the process the Harlow Group provides, as well as the pricing and the cost of the services provided. So it's multifaceted. Different recruiting companies run their businesses different ways, and in this environment, working for a software technology firm, it's a highly demanding environment where it's not a 40-hour work week, it's a 50, 60-hour work week at times, and as a busy person, you just don't have the time to dedicate to dealing with all the details of a search. So the way that the Harlow Group is able to distill down what the key factors are for the types of hires that we're looking to attract and bring in, and then go and source those candidates, and then present a select list that's been thinned down so that I'm not wasting my time. That's a very key benefit. That upfront understanding of what we're really looking for and the prioritization of those needs is very key, and where we're involved up front. And then I know there's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to pare back down to just a select list of candidates that's very short. I feel like that was a good encapsulation of the process, at least from my perspective, where we specified what we needed and only looked at people that delivered on that criteria. We had good results with a salesperson that set our previous high water mark for sales quota achievement, or overachievement for that matter, at $2.5 million. That hasn't been surpassed. And then most recently, we've seen 2 very good sales reps come in that have very quickly built a lot of viable pipeline, not just for the end of this year, but well into next year, such that I think we're going to see much better results going forward. And they've already closed some of their first deals in the first 60 days now, so that's very good results in a short period of time. The impact that the Harlow Group has had on my business is really given me the peace of mind that we've got the sales force in place, not just now, but for several years from now. When we were looking at the 3 hires, we were looking at 2 BDMs, or sales reps in my parlance, as well as 1 lead generation person. And I know that over a period of time, the lead generation person that we hired can very easily grow into a BDM position, so that we'll be able to give him a career path even within a small team here in Australia. The Harlow Group has done a great job in servicing me as well as the team here, and keeping us on track to make sure that we're getting in front of the candidates on a timely basis. For people that are coming from the U.S., they don't necessarily realize that the candidate pool is a lot smaller here. You have to make decisions fast when you meet the right people, and the Harlow Group provided the right urgency for us to help understand the need to make decisions quickly when we have the right people or candidates in front of us.